Alright, so in the last video you saw us putting in the foundation for the fireplace. Now you're going to see us fill it with concrete. The foundation is ready, it's time to start building our fireplace. We let that foundation cure over the weekend, and on Monday we laid the first couple courses of retaining wall. The thing about building a super tall retaining wall is you can only build a couple courses at a time, and then you got to let the glue harden, and then you start building more. If you build the wall up too high, it may shift, become irregular, and you're going to end up with a lot of demo and restart. Here you can see my boy Dan. Look at how hard he's working with that old-timey pickaxe. It's the only tool we could use in that place because of utilities that were in the side yard. So, look at old-timey Dan work hard. In the days that followed, we built the structural walls of the fireplace up a little bit higher so that we can lay the fire unit in. Doug and I dropped the firebox in place and started cutting some metal 2x4s to build a frame around it that'll hold it in place in order to meet code. Once the trench was dug, we laid the gas pipe that our plumbers had supplied with the trace wire on it. We wanted to get as much done as we could before the plumbers got there to save the customer on some unnecessary costs, so that the plumbers can just do the plumbing and move on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Now that this unit is all piped in, you think it's going to start? Well, they'll have to watch the next episode and find out. Until then, let's just remember all of old-timey Dan's hard work.